Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's Workshop. Welcome to issue number 78 of Build the Iconic Ford Falcon XB GT, the madmax car, from our good old pals over at Hachette. Now, if you'd like to grab this, build one of these along with me, pop over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop, and you too can be building this iconic movie motor. Right, let's have a quick look through this week's magazine, see what we're up to. Nice easy one this week, folks. We got the rear seat. It's fitted into its frame. So you got the rear seat cover there and its frame. It's where it's going to go in our Ford Falcons, folks. Literally, you're going to be putting in the internal and the external parts of the seat, and there's your completed assembly. You've then got history of the Ford Falcon. This is the Australian Ford Cortina. You've then got the feature on Bullet from 1968, the year my dear wife was born. Steve McQueen, may he rest in peace. And then some more blurbage there on the filming of Bullet. So that's that issue done. We're then going to be doing issue 79, which is the back panel and the foam insert for the rear seat. Just gives a little bit more to do today. Putting the foam in, as you can see, quite easily. Fixing it with some PS05 screws. Laying it all out like so, and then this is what we're going to end up with at the end of this video. You then got the Ford Capri there, and this was the facelifted Mark 1 with a luxurious 3-litre GXL form and featured twin headlamps. Okay. So that's the magazines sorted and done and dusted, so we'll put them to one side, folks. When we come back, we'll start a bit of assembly. Right, so there's the rear seat rubber, so to speak, and this is for the back panel of the seat. So we got that going on. And we've got our frame as well there, folks, okay? So let's orientate that the correct way. You've got your straight edge of the frame going towards the back, like so. And the curvaceous edge going towards the front. So let's just stretch that over the frame. Once it starts going in, it'll go in quite happily, folks. It's just getting that initial start done. And then that just pops straight over the edge of the frame like so. And that gives us that shape. Okay? That's what we're after. Now we can grab our foam insert and we can start dropping that in situ. Okay? So it can only go the one way. Angled edge there goes against that there. Like so. And then we can then just run our thumbs along that top edge of the foam like so. Okay, and that's what you've got. Okay, and it should contour with the exact shape of that inner frame. Okay, that's what we want there. We then got our back panel going in, and that is going to screw in over the top like so. Okay. So we'll just drop that in situ. Just get rid of the little bits of detritus out of there. We'll lay that in place. And then we can start fixing that in situ. So we want PS05s. So let's grab a load of those. Our obligatory spare. And we'll get a bit of oil on each of these, I think. Like that. Start in the middle. I won't fully tighten them until I've got them all in, just so that I can manipulate the rubber panel. And they're going at a slight angle, these, so bear that in mind. You're going at about a 45-degree angle into the plastic, okay? Front ones I'm going to tighten, and the side ones I'm going to have a little bit looser just so that I can quickly manipulate that frame in place. Just give it a bit of pinchage. That one went nice and tight, straight in there. Let's grab you. Same again on this one. A little bit more oil. The centre one there is in, so it's this edge. Pinch you in place. And then we can just rest that in with our fingers. We can fully tighten that one. And then we can come back and do this one. Like so. There you go. Let's run me now along there. Get me spudger. There you go. That's why I didn't want to tighten that one down fully until I'd got that in situ. Let's just back that off and try and push that corner in. Like that. Now we can tighten that middle one. There you go. So that's our seat back sorted. So there you go, folks. That's that issue done. So what we'll do, we'll put that to one side, and then in the next issue we'll have probably the seat base will turn up, and then we'll be able to join them together and look at fitting them in the car. So don't forget, if you'd like to grab one of these and build along with me, folks, pop over to the Hachette website. There's a clickable link in the description below, and you too can be building this madmax car along with me. Also, to help the channel out, if you can remember to like, share, hype and subscribe, be immensely grateful. Leave a comment on the video. I always get back to you, folks. In the meantime, thanks so much for coming in and keeping me company. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Till then, stay safe and well. Goodbye for now.